If you have some leftover white rice in the fridge and you're tired of eating white rice over and over again, try out this carrot stir-fry rice recipe, which is easy and quick to prepare. Let's not forget, very delicious. The carrot stir-fry rice is loaded with more vegetables. I have some assorted peppers, onions, green peas, and the best part is that you can customize by adding your favorite veggies to the recipe. Yes. So to get started, you're going to prep up all your ingredients because this recipe is super quick. And because I've already done that, I'll place my frying pan over medium flame, add in a tablespoon of cooking oil. Next, I'm going to be adding in my chopped up onion in the pan. You're going to saute your onions for around 30 seconds. Once the onions are soft, you're going to add in your shredded carrots. Toss the carrots in the cooking oil together with the onions. And then you're going to cook the carrots for around 30 seconds to 1 minute until they have released the lovely orange color from the carrots. After 30 seconds, this is how your carrots will be looking like. As you can see, mine have softened up. So the next step is to add in the rest of my ingredients. That is the assorted peppers together with the cooked or parboiled green peas. Add in half a teaspoon of paprika together with a quarter teaspoon of black pepper. Salt to fully season your rice. Toss everything together and let this cook for around 30 seconds. Remember, we are using leftover rice. That means that the rice is well seasoned. So I've added in a little bit of salt to fully season the stir-fry rice recipe. The veggies are smelling so good. So the next step is to add in my rice. And then I'm going to use my spatula and mix up my rice together with the vegetables. If you notice that the rice is lumpy, you can use your spatula and break down the rice as it cooks. Watch over your rice as the rice is cooking, and after 3 minutes, this is how my rice is looking like, and it has a very nice orange hue color from the carrots. It's seasoned to perfection and it's ready to serve. So I'm going to turn out the flames and I'm going to be serving mine over some beef stew, and it's going to be totally delicious. I have a few more stir-fry rice recipes that you can revamp your leftover rice. You can check up here or in the description box so that you can stop having white rice every single time. So this is a very awesome way that you can revamp some leftover rice that is sitting in the fridge and serve for your entire family. Hope you'll be trying out this delicious and amazing carrot stir-fry rice recipe.